Your search for the perfect student accommodation in Leicester ends here. Welcome to IQ Opal Court, a charming haven poised to elevate your student journey in Leicester to perfection. Discover a variety of meticulously designed ensuite rooms, studios, and two-bedroom apartments, each thoughtfully furnished to cater to diverse resident needs. Unwind in your cozy bed, find focus at your dedicated study desk, and keep essentials close with a bedside cabinet for late-night snacks. But there's more to enjoy. Start your day at the inviting breakfast bar and mingle in vibrant social spaces designed for connecting with fellow residents. With utility bills included, you can relax knowing your expenses are managed efficiently. Located near prestigious universities like the University of Leicester and Montfort University, commuting to classes is effortless. For your caffeine fix, visit Le Fohe Cafe or Leicester Coffee House Company and indulge in culinary delights at Etsi Baba, Turkish Charcoal Grill, and Steakhouse or AJ's Food Bar Van. Convenient transport options nearby ensure you navigate the city with ease, saving time and money like a pro. Don't hesitate. Visit amberstudent.com now to secure your perfect stay at IQ Opal Court Leicester today.